Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to find your Joy-Con controllers on Nintendo Switch 2. To find your Joy-Con controllers, if you've lost them, then you can simply go to the controllers setting, then click on search for controllers and press and hold on the one that you want to find. Now it'll start vibrating. You can also do it by simply using the controller to point on the one that you want to find, then press and hold on the right or left key. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.